Good morning children. In this video I am going to teach you sets. Okay, first of all, in our daily life we are discussing, we are dealing with many objects, many things. Okay, suppose in your class many students are there whose weight is means 40 kg weight. So these are well defined, we can easily find out how many students whose weight is 40. Okay, suppose odd natural number less than 20. As we know, 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 15 17 19, these are the what odd natural number less than 19. These are well defined. So any well defined collection of object is called set. Now notation, what do you mean by notation? The set usually denoted by capital letter. The sets are usually denoted by capital letter, capital A, capital B, capital T, capital X. Okay, and their elements are always denoted by small letter. Okay, now in this topic we have to discuss representation of a set. Sets can be represented in description method, roster method or tabular method, rule method or set builder method. These are the known as the method. Apart from that, we have to study what singleton set, finite set, infinite set, etc. A finite set has what limited number of different elements known as finite set, and infinite set has unlimited number of different elements. A set having only one element is called singleton set. Now we have to solve few sum. You have to please see it carefully. See, these are the few points. A well-defined collection of objects is called set. Sets are denoted by capital letter and their elements are denoted by small letter. Now see this one. X belongs to A means this sign is known as belongs to set A, and this sign is belongs to does not means X is does not belongs to A. Okay, a set may be described making a description of its element. It's enclosed in a curly bracket known as description method. A set may be described by listing all its members and separating these members by commas within a curly bracket. Within a curly bracket. Curly brackets is called roster method, or within a curly bracket is called roster method or tabular form. A set may be described as X such that X has property of K. This method called rule or set builder form. Now apart from that, we are going to study types of set. I have already told that what do you mean by finite set, infinite set and singleton set. Once again I am going to discuss. Please stay tuned. Now see, types of set means finite set. Suppose this is what set A. In set A, elements are A, B, C, D, means having 4 elements. So this is finite. We know means how many elements are there? 4 elements are there. Here infinite set, natural number 1 2 3 dot 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 so on, means it is going infinite. So this is infinite set. What do you mean by singleton set? See, now third set is what? Singleton set. Singleton set means what? Suppose for example -3, here it shows that what? It shows that only one elements are there, so this is singleton sets are there. Or you can write X as that X capital of India, or we can write X such that X capital, X as that X is a capital of India. Now close the curly bracket. This is singleton set. Now empty set number 4, empty set. Now see empty set. Example of empty set is what? We can write month of a year, month having month, or we can write month of a year, month of a year having what, having less than less than 28 days. 28 days. Not a single, means not a single month having less than 28 days. So this is known as what? Means set, means example of what? Empty set. Now universal set. What do you mean by universal set? A set that contains all the elements. Universal set. Universal set. What do you mean by universal set? A set that contains all the elements under consideration in a given problem is called universal set. Universal set. So these are the means types of set, and there it is denoted by what? It is denoted by U. It is universal set. It is denoted by U or this is known as universal set. So it is the symbol of this one, denoted by capital U or this sign. Now see cardinal number, the number of distinct element in a finite set. Remember, it will be a finite set, then it will be a cardinal number, otherwise you cannot do it. So the number of distinct element in a set is called its cardinal number. Cardinal number of a finite set A is denoted by n within bracket A. I'm giving one example. The cardinal number A means now element of A is given 1, 2, 3. Therefore, cardinal number will be what? 1, 2, 3. Now, how many elements are coming? 3 elements. So, therefore, cardinal number, this is what? 3. Now, equal set. What do you mean by equal set? Two sets are called equal sets if they have the same element. Suppose set A, the elements are given A, B, C, and set B are given what? B, A, C, A, B. Then it will be what? A equal to B. Why it is A equal to B? As we know, because the element in a set can be repeated or rearranged. Now, equivalent set. Two finite sets are equivalent set if they have same number of elements. Suppose set A, the elements are at what? A, E, I, O, U, and the elements of set B is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First of all, how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 elements are there. Therefore, cardinal numbers A equal to cardinal number B are equal. So therefore, they are equivalent set. What do you mean by subsets? If A and B be any two sets, then A is called a subset of B. If every member of A is also a member of B. So what do you mean by subset? If A and B be any two sets, then A is called a subset of B. If every member of A is also member of B. Now from here I am going to solve few sum according to your exercise. Number 3, it is given describe set A, B, C, D, A. So solution set I can write what? The first solution set I can write what? The first 6 letters of alphabet, or English alphabet you can write English alphabet or alphabet, or you can write English alphabet also, because A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A, B, C, D, E. So first 6, not 5 letters. First 5 letters. So A, B, C, D, E. Therefore, first 5 letters of alphabet. This is your required answer. Now see, according to your new book, describe set A, means elements are given what? Elements are given A, B, C, D, E, F. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here I can write what? So the first 6 letters of English alphabet. This is your new, according to your new book. Write down please. Now question number 5. First it is written right in roster form and also description form. X such that x equal to 4n, where n is what? N belongs to whole number and n is what? Less than 5. So whole number, remember, whole number means what? 4 into 0, 4 into 1, 4 into 2, 4 into 3, 4 into 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3. So I can write 4 into 0 means what? 0, 4 into 1, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 4 into 3, 12, 4 into 4, 4 into 4, 16. Remember. So therefore your n is what? Less than 5. So this 5 number, and this is also given whole number. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 I am taken. So 4 number there means what? Less than 5 number. So this is whole number. So 4 n, the value of n equal to what? N equal to, I am taken once 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number will be what? 0, 4, 8, 12 and 16. Write down please. Now description form. So I can write what? Whole numbers which are divisible by 4. So I can write whole numbers which are divisible by 4 and less than 20. Write down please. This is your description form. Now question number 4. I am writing only solution only. It is given that write in tabular form and also in set builder form the set of even whole number which lie between 10 to 15. So lie between what? Lie between 10 to 50. So first of all I have to write tabular form. I am writing solution. You have to write a question by yourself only. Tabular form. I can write what? Between what? Write down the tabular form and also in set builder form that even whole number which is lie between 10 to 50. So I can write what? 12, 14, 16, 18 dot up to 48, because 49 it is not a what? Even. So write down please. This is your solution of question number 4, 1. Now set builder form. Write down. Set builder form I can write what? X such that x equal to 2n where n belongs to whole number and what? 5 is less than n and n is less than 25. Write down please. Now question number 7, third. According to the study material I am doing. Now question number 7, third, it is given what? 1 4 1 4 1 4 9 16 25 dot dot dot, so on, write in what? Set builder form. I can write what? Solution, write down curly bracket x such that x equal to n square, where n is belongs to whole number, because 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 is no value, 1 1 into 1 1, so 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 9, 4 into 4 16, 5 into 5 25. So I can write x as that x equal to n square, where n is belongs to whole numbers. Now all these questions from exercise 5.1, it should be 5.1. Now 5.2, it is given that classify the following sets into empty set, finite set, infinite set. In case of non-empty finite set, mention the cardinal number. All colors of a rainbow. Question number 1. So all color of a rainbow, as we know, in a rainbow there are 7 colors are there. Therefore, it will be what? Finite set. Why? Because having 7 colors. Having 7 colors. Number 1 third C. It is given what? It is given multiples of what? Multiples of 5. So this is what? Infinite number. Infinite set, because what? Infinite element will come. Having infinite elements. Number 10, because you have to rest the part you have to do. It is given the question number means 10. It is given x as that x equal to 5 and n belongs to whole number, and x is what? Less than 60. This is finite. Why? Because as we know, how many elements will come? 12 na? So 12 elements will come, because less than 60 na? 12 elements in it. Write down please. Question number 2 first. Now question number 2, it is given which of the following described in same set. See, according to question number 1, it is given that vowel of English alphabet and A, E, I, O, U. So I can write, so 1, because English alphabet as we know A, E, I, O, U, and here set different set it is given also E, A, U, I, O, U. So therefore 1 3 it is given what? 3 it is given letter puppet, P, U, P, P, E, T, and next one is given E, T, P, U. As we know that repeated and rearranged letter. Therefore it is what? This is which of the following sets are same. So therefore 3 1 is also same. Now 5 1 is also same. Therefore I can write what? Represent same unit, same set, and 4 and 5. 4 is different from 5. from other set, from other sets, because it is given that fourth one, it is given what, fourth one 1 2 also, not 2 is also same, so same, because fourth it is given what, 1 2 3 and 2 3 4, because one element is different. Write down please. Now question number 3, it is given that find the pair or group of equal sets from the following sets. A is given what, 0 1 2 3, and B is given what, x as that x square less than 10, x is belongs to whole number. So A, the elements of A is given what, 0 1 2 3, and B means it is given whole number, means x square. If I am taking x as a 0, so 0 square is equal to what, 0, 1 square means what, 1, 2 square means what, 4, 3 square means 9. So 1 0 1 2 3, 1 2 3, so they are what, because 3 3s are 9, so 9 is less than 10. So A, B and E also same. See the condition of E, E, so they are A, B, E and E are equal, C, F and H are equal, D and G are equal. Once you see the elements and compare the elements of these, means whatever the given elements are given, so you can find out what they are equal, means A, B, E are equal, C, F, H are equal, D and G are equal. Write down. See question number 8, this is a very important question. It is given, if I am just doing solution only, it is given if A equal to x as that x, 2n equal to n is less than 5, so means universal set. N means what, n is less than 5, I can write what, so 2n equal to what, I can write what, first of all 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 4 8. So this will be what, the universal set. So set A will what, because it is given n is less than 5, this is your what, universal set elements. Now universal set whole number it is given na, so I can write what, we have to start from 0 only, so I can write what, if universal set equal to n, if universal set equal to whole number, only difference will come what, 0 only come, because it is given natural number, here it is given whole number. So I can start 0 2 4 6 and 8. Now third one, integers. Third one I can take integers, means what, universal set integers. So elements will be what, dot dot dot, because minus you can take, minus 4 minus, then 2, then 0 minus 2, then 0 2 4 6 and 8, because this side is no element, means what, no, there is no bound, I can write many numbers, so I am written here up to infinite, means if I have taken what, 2n equal to minus 1, so it will be minus 2, then 2, so minus 4, if 0 then 0, if 1 2 then 4, if 2 then 4, if 3 then 6, if 4 then 8, because limitation is given what, x is less than 5. So this is the all answers. So write down. So next we have to go for what, algebraic expression. Therefore these are the all the sums from sets according to your study material. I can understand your problem, it is very difficult to get on, because within short time we have to do many things, so you have to little bit put more effort to your study, dear student. So you, for that new video you have to subscribe my channel and press like, and whatever the sums I have done you have to practice at your home. Definitely you can solve each and every sum. Thank you, have a nice day.